Hello friends, welcome to Young Notes. In this tutorial, you will learn 4 beautiful tips to combine or merge cells in Excel. So watch this video fully for clear understanding. Okay. So you have 4 options to merge cells in Excel. Number 1 is using predefined function concatenate. Number 2 is using another predefined function concat. Number 3 is using AND operator without using any function. Number 4th one is using predefined function text join. You can merge the cells in XML. Now we will see the examples one by one. So first method is using concatenate. Okay, so it is a predefined Excel function. So using this function you can merge or join multiple cells into single cells. Okay, and this function will take a list of the cells as an argument, and this is the your cell 1 and this cell 2 and up to cell n that you want. Okay, now I will show the examples. So this is my sample input, that is a first input, and this is a input of 2, that is a second cell input. Okay, so this is the target result. So here I am using concatenate. Okay, so this is the function. So here you need to substitute your first cell. So this is the first cell and just use a comma. Suppose if you want any space for joining strings, you can give here. So just I am using space. Otherwise the results will be joined without any space. So that's why I need to use the space, and after that just use a comma operator and select your second input and closing the function operator and press enter. So after that just use dragging to complete the rest of the cells. So in this way you can merge the cells. So this is called as first function. Okay, and number 2 is a latest function, that is concatenate function, and it is available in Office 2019 and above version. So like concatenate function, this function also merge or join the multiple cells into single cells, and it will take the arguments like concatenate. Okay, now I will show the demo. So just use concatenate list, arrange of the strings, select this and select the first cell, comma, and after that you can use the delimiter. Suppose if you don't use anything, the results will be merged without single space. So here I am giving the colon. Okay, after that comma and your second cell. So here you can see the result like this. Okay, suppose if you want a space means, so here just use space, then click enter. And just use a drag. Okay, so the delimiter is generally it is a space. Okay, so this is a second approach. And third one is using text join function. It is a latest predefined function. It is also available in Excel 2019 and higher version. Using this function you can merge multiple cells into single cell using the delimiter option. Okay, so here the delimiter can be any special character. Usually it will be a space, or you can use comma, colon, semicolon, dash, and whatever special character you want you can use. Okay, so the main difference between first two and third one is the third function actually use the first argument as a delimiter option, but in first two function this will be the optional. Okay, but this is a mandatory in the third function. And ignore empty cells. Suppose if you want to add or remove empty cells, you can use the boolean value. And third one is a list of the input cells. Okay, now I will show the demo. So this is the third. So here I am just typing text join. Here I am just typing text join. So here the first argument is delimiter. So generally I am giving the space, comma, and second argument is true or false. So true means ignore empty cells and false means include empty cells. So you can give either true or false, that is no problem. And select your first cell, comma, and select your second cell and close the function operator. So in this way you can merge the multiple cells into single cells. So this is the result of the third one. Then last one is the AND operator. So in the last 3 examples we have used the predefined Excel function, but using this approach no need to use any Excel function. Simply we can use a AND operator to merge or join multiple cells into single cells. Okay, it is an alternative for the previous functions. So the syntax is equal and followed by cell 1, and before the after the cell you need to type AND operator, and this is the delimiter. Suppose if you want, you can use a delimiter. After that you need to use a AND operator and followed by your second cell, and followed by and followed by space and followed by AND, okay, up to n level. So this is the fourth approach. Now I will show the demo. So go to a target page and just type equal and select your first cell, and here it is important thing is that no need to use any comma operator, simply give space and just type AND operator and followed by your second cell, and before second cell if you want to add any delimiter you can add, okay. So here I am adding the delimiter and followed by again AND operator and followed by second cell, okay, and just press enter. So in this way you can merge the two different cells into single cells, okay. So in this video we have learned how to merge cells in Excel using 4 different tips. I hope these tips will be useful to you. So try this with your Excel, and if you like this video, please subscribe, share our channel. Thank you.